Hi, let me explain you how this program is working. First of all, we have two you can say graphs, one for the grid voltage and another one for the PV panel voltage. Currently, it is set to turn on grid supply, so grid supply is turned on. The status is showing it. We can switch it to PV panel like this. Now the grid is off and PV panel is working. This is the PV panel voltage and indicator is also showing it. Right to that, we have a house temperature. Currently the temperature is more than 25 centigrade. Okay, so if you come below, we have a house power consumed. This is the total power that is consumed in the house. Okay, so now what happened, we have different switches to control different load. Like if I turn on the bulb one, then nothing is appearing because the main switch is off. When I turn the main switch on, so okay, now you see there's a load. So each bulb have same power. When I keep turning on the bulbs, the power will be increasing. Similarly, I have fan. Okay, I have air condition load is higher. The load is also showing on this graph as well. Okay, this is water pump and this is fridge. I have fridge, and this is cooker. I have cooker, right? So these are all different loads. You can control it from here. You can turn on, you can turn off any load you want. Or if you want to shut down all the loads, then you just have to switch this off. Once this is done, this is off, then all the power will be zero, even though the buttons are on, but power is zero. All right. The third scenario, the fourth scenario is the battery charge. Let's charge this battery. When I turn this button on, the battery will be charging. So you see the battery is charging. It is increasing from zero to upwards. So this is a simulation, right? You can switch to grade or you can switch to PV. Up to you. Okay, the main switch is off. Let me turn all the loads off. Okay. So the battery is charging and it is increasing slowly and gradually. So the whole battery, once the battery is completely charged, you will see an indication that the battery is charged. The battery won't charge further after that message. So now you see when the battery is fully charged, we see the message battery is fully charged and ready to be used. When I press OK, the charge now the charge button will not work. Whenever I press charge button, I will see a message that battery is fully charged. You see, whenever I click this button, it says battery is fully charged and the button goes off. So now I want to use this battery. How should I use this battery? Obviously, I need to turn on the power. Okay, when I click this use battery, it is not consuming any of the charge. Why? Because the load is off. When I turn the load on, then the battery will be used. Otherwise, the battery will not be used. So you see the battery button is on. Let me turn first of all this main switch. Then I have to turn on the load. Let me turn on this fridge and let me turn on this cooker. So you see the my two loads are on and battery starts consuming. Okay, now you are consuming the battery as well. So the state of charge of the battery is decreasing. Now it is up to you. You can use and charge simultaneously. When I click this charge button, it will be charged and discharged simultaneously. So it will increase and decrease. It will increase and decrease. You can see here. Or if I uncheck this, then it will be keep decreasing the battery we are utilizing. Now once it goes below 10%, you will see a message that battery is fully discharged. In that case, you have to charge the battery, otherwise you won't be able to use the battery.